For this video, we're gonna be making some rice and making it really yummy and make it really good. Okay. So we gotta flip the camera. So we got our rice from QQ Asian Bistro, as you see right here. We definitely didn't make a mess. Fuck these stupid things and opening. Okay. Okay. You see we got that rice. And then I gotta get my plate real quick. This is probably gonna be a good plate. So, gotta pour the rice on the plate. Yep, that's it. And you gotta smush it down to make it real nice and yummy. And then you gotta go like that. And then, yeah. And then,
that's my rice.
Shut up, this is my rice. And then you gotta put some Crasdale soy sauce. Yeah. And then you gotta put some soy sauce in it to make it really yummy. Yeah, I think that's good now. Yeah, that's good. And then it's all gone because we made that really good chicken. And then gotta get some duck sauce. Oh, it's so hard getting it with one hand. And you gotta put all the duck sauce on it. Oh, yeah. And then gotta put my sleeve up. Oh, magic. See that? Not even touching it. And then you mix it together to make it really nice and yummy. Oh. That looks so good, right, guys? My hands are really clean. I don't know how. The rice is just like magic, and then you gotta try it. Gotta go like. That's some good rice. Just take a moment of silence and just listen to this really good noise.
Tyler! Bro, you're so stupid. You can't listen for like 10 seconds.
Hey guys, do you want to be in my video? Okay. So you gotta eat it again. Nope. Thanks for watching my really good rice video, guys.
Hey Tyler, shut the fuck up.
Yo, relax. And so, subscribe and like to my channel. My sub goal is 1, so please subscribe.
Okay, somebody has to hold it right here.
Oh, I forgot to turn